Are you new to gardening and wondering what plants to start with? Welcome to our green world, where we'll be your guide on a journey to cultivate your very own garden. This video is all about 10 plants that are perfect for beginners. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. We'll be discussing what you can expect from each plant, the time it takes for them to bear fruit, how to identify the right time to harvest, and how to take care of them to maximize your yield. Get ready to transform your garden into a thriving green oasis with these easy-to-grow plants. Starting off our list is the versatile tomato plant. Growing tomatoes is a breeze, even for beginners. You can expect approximately 10 to 50 fruits per plant in a season. The maturation process typically takes 60 to 80 days. When your tomatoes turn a deep, vibrant red, they're ready to be picked. Maintenance tip: keep your plants hydrated but not waterlogged, and ensure they get plenty of sunlight. With a little attention to detail, you'll have a bountiful harvest of juicy tomatoes in no time. Next up is the aromatic basil. Growing basil is a breeze, maturing in just 3 to 4 weeks. Harvest when the leaves are lush, before the plant flowers. Regular pruning promotes growth, providing a steady supply of flavorful leaves. A well-maintained basil plant will reward you with a fresh supply of aromatic leaves, perfect for your culinary experiments. Third on our list are the crunchy radishes. These fiery globes are a breeze to grow, maturing in just 3 to 4 weeks. When they're about an inch in diameter, they're ready to pick. Regular watering keeps them juicy. Taste the satisfaction of growing your own food with radishes. Fourth on our list is the prolific zucchini. A champion grower, zucchinis can yield an impressive 5 to 10 fruits per plant. They mature in just under 2 months. Harvest when they're about 6 inches long and maintained by regular watering. Get ready for a bumper crop with zucchinis. Fifth on our list is the nutritious spinach. This leafy green is a breeze to grow, maturing in just 4 to 6 weeks. Harvest when leaves are tender and big enough to eat. Regular watering and partial shade will yield a bountiful crop. Spinach is a great addition to any beginner's garden, offering a quick and healthy harvest. Continuing with our list, we have 5 more easy-to-grow plants. First up, we have beans. These delightful climbers are simple to cultivate and yield a generous bounty. You can expect beans to mature in about 50 to 60 days. When the pods are firm and have reached their full size, that's your cue to pick them. Regular picking encourages more growth. Next, we move on to cucumbers. These refreshing vegetables are perfect for summer salads and are ready to pick within 50 to 70 days. When they're bright green and firm to the touch, they're ripe for the picking. Remember to keep the soil consistently moist for a healthy cucumber plant. Third on our list are peppers. These vibrant plants can spice up any dish and are ready for harvest in 60 to 90 days. When the peppers are bright and firm, they're ready. Regular watering and full sun exposure will keep your pepper plants happy. Carrots are our fourth plant. These root vegetables are a joy to grow, maturing in about 70 to 80 days. When the tops are bright and bushy, your carrots are ready to unearth. Deep, well-drained soil is perfect for growing carrots. Last but not least, we have lettuce. This leafy green matures quickly, within 30 to 60 days. Harvest when the leaves are crisp and full. Keep the soil moist and provide shade on hot days to maintain your lettuce plants. With these plants, you're on your way to a successful gardening journey. There you have it, 10 plants perfect for new gardeners. From tomatoes to spinach, each offers a unique experience, yet all share the common traits of being easy to grow, quick to mature, and generous in their bounty. The journey of gardening is as rewarding as the harvest itself, fostering patience, care, and a connection to nature. Remember, every gardener started somewhere. With time, patience, and the right plants, you too can have a green thumb. Happy gardening!